Welcome to the Rough Crowd. How you doing, man? Put my rupee in that. It would look nice in there. Found you on YouTube when you were searching for fascinating videos. Your stream is fun. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, I just I just upload like my old streams to YouTube without editing because I don't have time to edit. But dude, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for checking me out. Yeah. I also prefer live streaming to like YouTube videos because I can answer questions live. Like if you had a question like what is retipping? You know, I can explain it. That's the same way you found me? Oh man.